It's like you can play this mission as 3 Space Marines or like 20 Garson.
We do not have any ordnance on Demarium that can destroy it. Our best available tactic requires an ancient battle barge in the Mechanicus compound that is undergoing restoration.
If I might be so bold as to interject, Lord Titus, that battle barge dates back to the Great Crusade.
All right, Alpha.
That would be. Oh no, the way they would do it is like it's still 3 player, but you get a fucking obscene amount of lives. Like you just keep coming back.
We got
like,
more
okay,
soldiers
yeah.
where that came from.
Get like 30 lives.
Oh my god.
Oh, oh, wow, okay.
Armory data. I don't know if you guys need that or not. Just running around with the shield.
Nah, I mean, I've done that shit sometimes on these games, so I get really into it. People are like, what the fuck, Nick? I'm like, sort of.
Yeah, I'm just getting into character.
Yeah, totally. I'm not actually on Hinge. For content. Just started lopping parts off them.
Oh shit, not good.
No, 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 no! That's nice. My bridge now. What the fuck? Did I just... Wait a minute.
Oh my god, what is that dash distance?
Yeah, and I think I like absolutely disintegrated some guy when I did that. And I was like, where'd you go?
That is obscene.
Buddy. Oh wow.
It's right here.
Oh, okay. Those laser guns are nasty. Are you on? Oh, you're on sniper, aren't you?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that explains. I was like,
how did you just erase it?
Like that?
yeah, sniper's about as close as its support too, which is kind of crazy. Well, that and the bulwark here. Yeah, none of those. I'm still standing. Ah. Does it? Here, I'm trying to see if it adjusts. Okay, that's just same distance every time. Imagine it just changes how much power it had. That's what I was trying to check. Ooh, we got someone coming up behind us. Never mind. We had someone coming up behind us.
Just bullied that guy.
Yeah. Stay there.
Hi there.
Oh, there's one up here! One more coming down.
Wait for him. Get down here, buddy.
Got it. Here, you off a piece of these heretics. Let's go. Something's happy about it. Oh, this. What the hell is this motherfucker?
Oh, there's so much happening right now.
Got his ass. What is that? That's like a new thing that's happening.
What? Where?
It's like a magic burst in it sometimes when I do that. When I plow through them, like use it area. Is that the shot? Hi guys.
There's a stem by the tree. In the middle.
What the shit? I want to bury these people properly. There we go. Fuck off.
Oh my god.
Armor boost over here.
Who the fuck? Tell you what, I'm getting fucking cocky as fuck. Like starting to figure this shit out here. No.
Jump him, jump him.
Loud.
Chop him up. You will. Oh, he did.
Oh, sneaky bitches.
If I can make that go further, it's definitely going to be the case.
Oh, it's gonna be great. Just cross map.
Another stick?
But I will make it work.
Oh, shit. Oh.
Armor boost over here.
As there are no tech creams among you, seek out the cranes twin generators
They can
and
do
locate
that.
their consoles. Then,
Whoa,
awaken
you're
them
my
in the correct
whole
sequence.
robot.
Oh, my.
Wait, am I losing yet? Wait.
I heard robot too.
Yeah. What?
They lock? Are you
Get
alive?
him.
Okay.
The heretics got him.
The heretics got him.
How about now?
A little better.
No.
That's really weird.
Oh, there we go, right
Literally. Okay. How odd.
Ow. Ow. I was like, I heard it a little bit.
Oh, excuse.
Luckily, we really missing.
You know what? I'm willing to, because I'm literally not touching anything. And that's never happened before, so.
They're using warp magic on the internet.
Motherfucker. Bro, just die there. You're not gonna live. You're getting absolutely mollywopped here, bro.
I completely forgot how much dopamine this game gives you. Oh, I'm sorry. I shouldn't have said that. I'm sorry.
Wait. Oh, there. Fucking shroom. Hell dive down their ass. He's just straight down. Like zero angle to it, too.
It felt good. It felt good. All right, I'm gonna repair this real quick.
Finish moving that panel. Amelio line cloak active.
Wait, how much did you just lose to Kano?
Or our progress will vanish.
Hold on. You lost 42 million? That means 21 million went into the pot. That's a good pot.
Changing legacy.
It's good shit.
It's good cushion.
You mother. Massive enemy wave. That's unfair.
I like infinite.
Our path forward is
Yeah,
clear.
so I guess the light combo
You are
can just
nearing
keep
the
going and
vessel's
going and
sight,
going.
Talassa. Ensure nothing further impedes your progress.
That's all. I'm gonna go attack speed. So just...
What's up, bitches?
The Ministorum Tumor dugouts.
Report to the Ordos Force. Continue with the mission. There are more pressing heresies that need our attention.
Our first priority remains the battle barge.
A twisted metal? What?
Yeah, a twisted metal type game with orcs. Like you make the cars and they're like battle cars and
Oh, yes. That one's actually pretty fun.
shit. Oh, you did play it?
Yeah. I was like, what is this? It was free.
Oh, okay.
Oh my god, I'm getting fucking rocked!
Oh, we're about to get back.
Oh, I got knocked down.
Oh, not quite. Maybe?
Jesus, grenades for everyone. Good God.
Rubicon Knight, bitch. Do it.
Milk biscuits right here.
I have one, so you can take it.
I have two. I can use yours and I grab that one.
Yeah. Love it.
Jump pack free.
Huh?
I
Behind.
mean, mine's free McDonald's.
To each their own. Would you like to go again? That's who I like to go.
Would you like to hear more? Stop poking me in the ass, dude.
I have
Sorry,
flag
I'm just
down, by
so
the way.
excited, you know? I think senses are lying to me right now.
Yeah. Being pretty
Captain
stingy.
Nakaran, your Ultramarines are late. They are under heavy
Balls.
attack and need reinforcements.
Nothing?
We are approaching
Make haste, lest your tardiness lead to the harm of the blessed vessel.
Oh my God, you smacked him into the wall. That twitchy hand is perfect.
Mm-hmm. Oh, look at that.
Yeah, it just keeps hitting in the shot grenade. I don't mind.
Oh, Jesus, I'm not where I'm supposed to be.
Oh!
Let's go.
Yeah, get him.
Stupid horns. Bleed out.
picking up equipment.
Ain't no one. He was like 2 floors above us. That was bullshit.
I'm having a good old time up there.
Another adversary falls to our strategy.
I made the mistake of being in my sights.
Dang.
Recover from incapacitation.
Oh my god.
Whoa!
Sorry, Shroom. You see that shit?
God damn, man.
I dodged out of the way. Shroom's like, what's up?
Fuck.
What's going on?
What's
around this corner?
Why are you dodging for?
Oh, this is the rack section. I remember this.
Oh, here, here.
Whoa, Jesus!
Where should I plant this?
There we go.
Inserting fresh magazines.
God, talk about the longest edging.
Oh, there it
ever.
is.
Just put it in.
Tracks ahead look misaligned.
There are several consoles for managing the tracks nearby. Must perform the appropriate rights of alignment to achieve the desired geometry. Assuming they possess the ability to extrapolate accordingly.
Surely the Ultramarine speed that includes reasoning and spatial awareness.
Considering this planet as I have my
Charge the
doubts.
shit out of him.
Alright, he beat. Push that.
Take all you can carry. Changing magazine. They made the mistake of being
Oh my god.
Whoa!
What was
That
that?
was incredible. That was cool as shit. I'm not even mad.
Like I should have considered doing extreme sports instead of being a warrior. Oh,
Shit. That wasn't going.
go
Ooh!
back, go back, go back, go back.
Yeah, it wouldn't let me undo it.
I had no idea what
There we
Alright,
go.
now we're going.
There you go.
Oh my god, get out of there.
Oh, because it had to trigger shit. That's why.
Now
bunch of
Pass it
shit
down
back.
the way.
Yeah. That's what I was waiting on. Like I had to like trigger that, then it would go.
The Omnissiah has blessed you with an abundance of power.
Under
Perhaps in the machine
heavy
gods
assault.
they permit the transgression you're about to commit. Do not speak beyond your ken, engine
Oh,
seer.
looks like you got some
It does not
filters
take
up
a
here. Huh?
Lucas to see
Yeah,
this
it's going.
act of
It's a fun time.
desperation.
Here, more over here. Where you at, Birdman?
You know,
Educate them on bird law.
after seeing that Birdman do like a 720 spin, I'm just gonna call him Tony Hawk from now on.
He really did fly.
Tony Hawks. Children of Tony Hawk.
Alright, one turn to the left.
God.
One more quick before it moves.
Oh, someone
Yeah,
teleported
we're
right
good.
next to me. You bastard.
Yeah. Get out of there. We're good.
Alright, it's a good thing I got
Gotta
stealth.
get out of here. Yeah, doing this stage when there's a timer is
Whoa,
fucking rough.
Jesus, where'd that guy come from?
Oh no.
Always trying
I'm
to call
seeing
for help,
enemies.
though.
I can't tell who's real.
No help for you.
Seen ghosts. Who the fuck? Oh, look at that.
I'm sitting here like, why do you take your shirt off? Okay, get off me. There we
Gotta
go.
be shit.
Try and fucking sleep. I dare you. Alright, we're inserting, boys.
It's going in. Is it in yet?
Never won.
Yeah. Are you done?
Oh no! Oh god! Whoa! What? Fucking meatballs! I'm down. Focus close. Smoker, use the stem if you got one. Oh wait, never mind. I have a revive. Don't come anywhere near me. Throwing down the grenade.
8 guys to finish off.
Have some crack.
Took 8 guys.
Take my crack.
Transmitting targeting signal now.
We have it. It is weak.
Your data is clouded, Lieutenant. Maintain close proximity to target.
Did we? Oh.
Okay, come here and I'll help you.
Threw a grenade at his feet and just didn't do anything about it.
Far enough. I wish it went further.
Reactor is primed for ignition. The vessel is ready. May this machine service be
Thank you,
forever
Mocha. I needed that.
Demetrius primed and locked in.
I saw him cheating.
Target now.
There's no magic allowed in this household.
He was like, I think this guy's AFK. I'm just gonna shoot him. Errors detected due to signal interference. Calculating trajectory.
Calculate. Light up like a god. Oh my god, is that an engine?
The shattered ship becomes the saber, an instrument of the machine god's wrath. This would bring tears to my eyes if I still had them. A heavy
That's a hell of a line.
sacrifice of such a sacred machine. Let us hope her martyrdom is worth
Yeah,
it.
so now we're launching the ship. In the story mode, you see that ship get launched into that big fucking thing. That we're the ones that didn't.
Hell
I do
yeah.
like how the online mode's like the other perspective of your team.
Yeah,
Mhm.
it's like the B storyline.
Mm-hmm.